Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
I'm just outside the river market here in Kansas City, Missouri. We've already covered the history of the deep dives, so for this part, let's just keep it simple. We're going to hang here a few minutes, watch the streets, see who passes by, and just take an everyday rhythm of the city. No big explanations, just real Kansas City immersion.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.